Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Melissa with Sew Yours Patterns. Today I wanted to take a couple of moments to thank each and every one of you for all of the love and support you've given me along this journey. I launched SewYoursPatterns.com in August of 2021. Since that time I've released 4 sewing patterns. My first was the Martini crossover. Then I released the Kensley tote. Last month I released the Charlotte shoulder bag. And a couple of days ago I released the fold and go wallet. So it's been really fun seeing everyone make their bags, sharing those in my Facebook group. So please continue to do that. I love seeing everybody's take on the pattern. I wanted to go ahead and shout out to Kassiah with Siah Swag Bags. I was so fortunate for her to go ahead and do sewing videos on both my Martini and my Kensley tote. So if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be where I am right now, getting my name out there. So thank you so much, Kassiah. I am also excited that Jess from Oklaroots is going to be releasing a video on my Kensley tote in the next couple of weeks. So again, thank you so much, Jess, for taking the time to do that for me. Also wanted to shout out to all of my pattern testers. I've had about 20 to 30 pattern testers over the course of the 4 patterns. They've been absolutely outstanding in pointing out any errors that I've made, or also letting me know that I haven't explained something clear enough for you guys. So they've really done a great job in doing that for me, as well as providing amazing photographs and promoting the bags for me. So I wanted to thank you guys for all of your hard work you've done. Another person is Brandy Jackson with Beans Bags and Handicrafts Company. She is one of my more recent testers and has done videos on the fold and go wallet as well as the Charlotte shoulder bag. So you can go ahead and check out her channel as well. I'll go ahead and post all 3 of those YouTube channels in my comments, but I am sure you guys already know all 3 of them. Lastly, I wanted to thank my husband for supporting me along this new journey. He's been very encouraging along the way, so thank you to him. And then most definitely thank you to everyone who has made a purchase and purchased my patterns. So if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here either. So thank you so much, everyone. And kind of to go along with that, I wanted to also tell you guys about an exciting new giveaway that I have. It is my 2022 Ultimate Giveaway. Now, what am I giving away? Well, I am giving away, and I'm looking at my notes down here so that I don't miss anything here, but I am giving away all of my 2022 patterns that I'll be making to 5 lucky winners. Now, make sure you pay attention here because there's a couple of things that you need to do to qualify in order to be entered into that giveaway. Number 1, you must have purchased all 4 of my patterns. Now, if you haven't done so already, that's fine. You still have time to do that because I'm going to be picking the winners on January 1st of 2022 in a live giveaway on my YouTube channel at 9:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you're going to have until December 31st of 2021 to purchase all 4 of my patterns. You also need to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And lastly, stop by my website at SewYoursPatterns.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and there's going to be a hyperlink there for the 2022 giveaway. You'll need to go ahead and enter your name and your email address in there. That way I know you actually want to enter the giveaway. I'll go ahead and cross-reference your entry to verify that you have actually, in fact, purchased all 4 patterns and subscribed to my channel. And that will then put you into the drawing, which will be done again live on my YouTube channel on January 1st. What I'll be doing is putting in all of those names into the computer, and just like I did in a past live giveaway, I'll spin the wheel and we'll randomly select 5 winners to receive all of my sewing patterns for next year. So I'm really excited for that, and I look forward to seeing your guys' entries for a chance to win that outstanding giveaway. Let's see here. And then I wanted to kind of talk about what's to come for the rest of this year as well as 2022. So the fold and go wallet is my last pattern for this year. I won't be releasing any more right now. Look for a new pattern for me probably the end of January of next year. But in the meantime, I'm still staying busy with the business. I'm actually working on a prototype right now. I'll give you a little preview. It's not much, but here is the crossbody strap I'm working on. It's absolutely beautiful. This vinyl that I've got right here, it's like a croc vinyl. It's like butter. I love it. I've got 2 shoulder straps. And then all I can show you right now here on this is my cut pieces right here. So I am working on that. I have a second pattern I'm also working on as well. So look forward to those in the beginning of 2022. I'm also going to be focusing a little bit more on this YouTube channel for the rest of this year. I've got several video ideas that I'm going to be releasing. I'll be doing another video this week, so look forward to that. For the rest of this year, I'll also be focusing on the holidays since it is Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up. I'll be spending time with family. I want to go ahead and do some gardening. While it is Florida and it's beautiful out right now, in this part of Florida, we do get a few frosts. So I need to go ahead and get out there and make some cuttings of some plants that I want to save for next year. So get those rooted so we can plant them in the spring. I'm also going to be making some clothing for myself. I bought some stretch knit fabrics a while back. Haven't had a chance to make some, so I'm kind of excited to do something a little bit different and make some clothes for myself. Other than that, that's pretty much what I'm doing this year. And then, like I said, next year, I've got a couple of bags coming out in the very beginning. I anticipate that I will be releasing a new pattern, hopefully in every 4 to 6 weeks next year. So the giveaway winners, you're basically going to get probably between 9 and 12 patterns next year. We'll see what I'm able to get done in that time. But go ahead and get your entries in. Purchase all 4 patterns, subscribe to the YouTube channel, so that way you can be entered into that drawing. So other than that, that's all I have for you today. Just a big thank you to everyone who's supported me. So that'll be all for today. Until next time, bye-bye.